How to create ChatGPT account for content creator. If you're wondering how to create ChatGPT account for content creator, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and click on any browser and then go to ChatGPT login right here, chat.openai.com. So click on that and then go ahead and press sign up. So there are different ways that you can sign up, that you can create your account. You can create it with your email address, you can continue with Google, or you can continue with the Microsoft account. So I'm just going to continue using my email address. Type in your password and then press continue. So next it will ask you to type in your first name, your last name, and then your birthday. So go ahead and do that. And once you've set your birthday, click OK at the bottom right corner right here. Then go ahead and press continue. So you need to verify your phone number. So go ahead and type in your phone number. And once you've typed in your phone number, go ahead and press send code. So you'll receive a code on your phone. And go ahead and type in the code that you have just received. So once you do that, you will have successfully created your ChatGPT account, and you can use this to help you create contents and help you manage your content.